Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to take you through how to use Discord on your mobile device as a complete beginner. So the first thing you want to do is jump into your App Store, your Play Store, and download Discord and create an account. Alright, so it should look something like this, but on the left hand side you won't see any icons. On the left hand side, these icons are Discord servers that you have joined. Now these Discord servers are basically the chat portals that you use to communicate with people. So on the left hand side, for example, we're going to go into this one over here. Now this is a Minecraft server. You can see within the server there are a few different channels. So there are rules, there's a channel list, and there are announcements, and you can see there is a lot. So if you want to go into any one of those channels within the server, you can actually go in right over here. Okay, so for example, let's go and look for one. So let's just have a look at contests and challenges. So let's go up to the top one over here. Now this one over here, you can see all of the chat history. You can go and see literally the entire chat history. And as you go down, you're able to read. You can also hold a message and you can interact. So you can forward, copy, mark, you can react, and then you can also connect your apps if you would like to use those apps to react to any one of these messages over here. Okay, so as you can see at the bottom, it says you must complete a few more steps before you can talk. So if you go into that, you'll need to go ahead and just go through this process. You need to verify your email address and then agree to the rules and the terms and conditions. And then you need to be a member for at least 10 minutes to send messages in the server. And this is just some security options over here. If you go back out of here, you'll see at the bottom, there's home, notifications, and you. In home, you will see all of your servers on the left-hand side. You can also actually create your own server. So if you'd like to create a server and invite people, you can literally just choose from one of these categories and create a server. And then your notifications, this is if anybody sends you a friend request or if you have any activity going on in anything that you're following. And then in the You tab, you will see literally everything about you. You can see over here all of your personal info, and in the top right hand side, go into settings and you can define all of your settings for your account. Now this is just a quick beginner's guide, so make sure that you go and explore your Discord account on your mobile device and check out some of the awesome features.